By which name Balkrishna is depicted or worshipped? The options are A. Laddu Gopal or Kanha, B. Govinda, C. Madhava, or D. Krishna. The correct answer is A. Laddu Gopal or Kanha. What is Lord Krishna's usual dress? The options are A. White dhoti with peacock feather crown, B. Yellow dhoti with peacock feather crown, C. Red dhoti with peacock feather crown, or D. Orange dhoti with peacock feather crown. The correct answer is B. Yellow dhoti with peacock feather crown. Who was Lord Krishna's beloved? The options are A. Radha, B. Rukmani, C. Satyabhama, or D. Jamvanti. The correct answer is A. Radha. Lord Krishna is known by how many names? The options are A. 101, B. 108, C. 1001, or D. 501. The correct answer is B. 108. Who was Lord Krishna's childhood intimate or true friend? The options are A. Sudama, B. Arjun, C. Bhim, or D. Yudhishthir. The correct answer is A. Sudama. On which tithi is Janmashtami observed? The options are A. Ekadasi, B. Ashtami Tithi, C. Amavasya, or D. Navami Tithi. The correct answer is B. Ashtami Tithi. What is Janmashtami popularly known as in Mumbai and Pune? The options are A. Gokulashtami, B. Ashtami Rohini, C. Krishna Jayanti, or D. Dahi Handi. The correct answer is D. Dahi Handi. What is Janmashtami popularly known as in Manipur? The options are A. Krishna Janma, B. Gokulashtami, C. Ashtami Rohini, or D. Shri Krishna Jayanti. The correct answer is A. Krishna Janma. Which festival is celebrated the day after Krishna Janmashtami, mainly in Maharashtra? The options are A. Dahi Handi, B. Gokulashtami, C. Krishna Jayanti, or D. Ashtami Rohini. The correct answer is A. Dahi Handi. Who was Krishna's father? The options are A. Vasudeva, B. Nanda Baba, C. Shantanu, or D. Parshurama. The correct answer is A. Vasudeva. Krishna's foster mother, who raised him in Gokul, is known as. The options are A. Devki, B. Amba, C. Yashoda, or D. Ambika. The correct answer is C. Yashoda. Which star is on ascendant when Janmashtami is observed? The options are A. Ashwin Nakshatra, B. Rohini Nakshatra, C. Swati Nakshatra, or D. Anuradha Nakshatra. The correct answer is B. Rohini Nakshatra. Krishna is which avatar of Vishnu? The options are A. 8th, B. 1st, C. 2nd, or D. 9th. The correct answer is A. 8th. Krishna was the son of. The options are A. Yashoda and Nand Baba, B. Devki and Vasudeva, C. Shantanu and Ganga, or D. Shantanu and Satyavati. The correct answer is B. Devki and Vasudeva. Janmashtami is not called by which of the following name? The options are A. Satamatham, B. Shri Jayanti, C. Ashtami Rohini, or D. Sri Balashtami. The correct answer is D. Sri Balashtami. Vasudeva took his newborn son Krishna to Nanda on the night of the childbirth so that Nanda and his wife could raise him. What is the name of Nanda's wife? The options are A. Devki, B. Mahamaya, C. Yasoda, or D. Vasuki. The correct answer is C. Yasoda. In which city Lord Krishna grew up? The options are A. Gokul and Vrindavan, B. Dwarika, C. Mathura, or D. Puri. The correct answer is A. Gokul and Vrindavan. Representations in temple often show Krishna associated with his brother Balrama and sister. The options are A. Rukmani, B. Satyabhama, C. Subhadra, or D. Satyavati. The correct answer is C. Subhadra. Name the daughter of Bhishmaka who was married to Lord Krishna. The options are A. Kalindi, B. Rukmani, C. Satyabhama or D. Bhadra. The correct answer is B. Rukmani.